Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Healthy Lifestyle. So I think it's been a lot of time that I did not upload any of the videos. So I thought like I want to make one review video. Uh, so before that, I just want to ask all of my subscribers how you guys are doing, and if this is the first time you are coming to my channel, a big welcome to all of you, and please support me, please subscribe and like the video if you like it. So what I thought was, like, I bought this Raga D10. Can see, I guess, yeah, Raga D10. So I thought like, why should I not make a review video on this? Because I have seen a lot of times, like, in parlors I used to get this D10, but it used to cost me a lot. Instead of that, I thought, why should I not buy and make a review on that? And I'll also want to see how it works on my skin. And one more thing was, I got it on offer. This is 500 grams of D10 pack, which I got it for the 200 rupees. Yeah, I really got it for very cheap. But I checked on the next day, but the price was increased, like I think around 280 or something. But I got it for 200 with free shipping, I guess. You guys can see I have a lot of tan and I have dark circles also. And this much of big pack I got it because I have very much dark skin on my hands. That is the reason I got, because I want to use it for my hands also. So compared to my face, my hands are more darker. So I thought like I want to use both for my hands and legs, and also for the face. So that is the reason I got this. I'm so sweating. Wasting any time, let's see how we can use this. So you guys can see I tied my hair, and I want to make genuine videos. I want to give a genuine review on this. That is the reason I'm going from this filter mode to a normal mode. Don't look like that, because every YouTuber use filters. So you guys can see this is my real face, which is hiding behind the filter. But I think I look beautiful, and my skin is so soft and smooth. I'll not get more pimples, so that is the reason I don't have any kind of dark spots on my skin. Yeah, but definitely I have this big dark circles. So recently I started using one of the C serum, which is really working great, because I have some dark spots here, and which I'm getting rid of. So I think I have a little bit tan here, and maybe here. Apart from that, there's no tan on my face, but still I want to use this. I want to check how it is working on my skin. So now let's not waste our time, and let's see the process. Before that, I just want to cleanse my face. I don't want to, I don't have any makeup on my face apart from this lipstick. So but still I use it. But still I'm gonna cleanse it. This is my favorite cleanser. So if you guys want to, like, want review on this, you can just comment below. I can do a video on this. So we just need a little bit, just couple of pulse is enough. See, this is what I got on my face. So after doing this cleansing directly, you can apply this cream and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can wash it out. But what I thought was, I want to scrub it a little bit so that it can remove all the dead skin, and it can remove all the dead particles from my face. So for that, here I have taken little bit of coffee powder, sugar and little bit of honey to make a paste. So those who are having medium to dull skin tone, we can use this scrub on a regular basis or 2 days once. This really works great for me. For me especially, because I used to be very dark and now my color was like, at least I increased 3 to 4 shades of my skin tone. Okay, now let's mix the detan pack. We are not adding anything in this. I'm just scooping out a little bit so that how much it is necessary for my face. Do not forget your neck. Neck is most important part. I really like the packaging, and important part is like they have given the instruction for massaging once, like after 15 minutes. So it's so clearly they mentioned. It really helps for the people who are beginners or who doesn't know the steps. Literally speaking, I don't know the steps, but still this is really helpful. And I can see here this virginal price is 995 rupees, but I got it for 200, which is I'm just thinking to buy this from so many days, but by seeing the price I thought, like, should I really invest on this, because I'm not sure whether I'm gonna have results or not. So that is the reason I did not invest on this. One day I saw and the price was only 200, then without thinking anything I just ordered it. I think 200 is worth buying this. So I'll see you guys after 15 minutes. Wow, I think this is worth buying. It's really working so good. So I want to remove the black and white heads on my nose, so I am taking one more napkin and I have hot water next to me, and I'm gonna just dip in a hot water. I just want to remove near my nose and my chin, so I'm keeping that. Just for a couple of minutes. So I have this, I don't know what it is called, but I really hate this part because it's gonna hurt like hell, especially in parlors. Whenever they do, I really feel like crying. So you guys can see I got a little bit of white heads, I think 2 or 3. So if I want to honestly give you the review, then I think this is worth buying. I can give, I think, 10 out of 10, because I really can see a lot of difference in my face. Wow, I'm really amazed with this. And this is my first review video. So I hope you guys liked my video, and this is definitely a worth buying. I'm not kind of giving any affiliate links. I think you can directly go in Amazon or in Flipkart. You can check and you will get it. You just need to type Raga Daytan pack. So you will get a lot of different options in this. In that you can check for the offers and you can get it. And so that's it for today's video, guys. And I try to keep posting more videos. So I'm also thinking I want to do few videos in Telugu, because as my mother tongue is Telugu, and my family also a little bit curious when I say let's make a video in Telugu. So people who are coming with other languages, if you don't understand, just don't mind. Sorry. So if you guys coming for the first time to my channel, please subscribe to me, and share with your friends, or even there are a lot of weight loss recipes going on in my channel, and I'm like, people who are watched me before and now, there is a lot of difference in me, because I lost almost like 8 to 10 kgs in last 1.5 month, and my target is to get like 52 or 53 kgs. So I also made a 10 days lose 10 kgs in 10 days diet plan, oats diet plan, which is there in my channel. You guys can check that. So I'm not gonna waste much time, and I hope you guys will enjoy this quarantine and stay happy and stay safe. So I hope you guys liked my video, and you have seen the process. Just follow the same process and you will definitely see the results. And do not hesitate to watch my previous videos, because you will get a lot of information, so which I genuinely speak. And that's it. If you guys want to see any different kind of videos, you can just comment on the comment section. I will try to make videos on that. And that's it for today's, and bye bye.
Friends, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will receive the notification.